Welcome back. I'll be showing you how to find your hotspot password on your Android phone. Now for this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy running Android 14. So go to settings and then go to connections, and then there you'll find mobile hotspot and tethering. Now go to mobile hotspot and you'll see information about your mobile hotspot, including your network name. This is your hotspot name and password. And you can actually see the password in plain text, which you can change actually if you wanted to, but that's basically how to find it. Now, that's basically how to find your hotspot password in your Android phone. Another way of getting there is by swiping down to the quick settings icons, and you should see the mobile hotspot icon. Instead of tapping on it once to enable or disable hotspot, just long press on the button and it's going to take you into your mobile hotspot settings page where you can see your network name and password. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.